Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Lil Bo. Today, I decided to do something a little bit different, right? Because, as you saw in a previous video, my girlfriend has left me. She tired of me doing all these stupid videos, so I decided to go onto Tinder and try to find a girl or a lady or whatever, you know. So, I wanted everybody's advice, you know what I'm saying? So, and down in the comments, if you could just let me know which one of these Tinder messages you think I should be sending, please let me know. I read somewhere that you're not supposed to do something like, hey, what up, girl, I'm looking for sex. That is not something you are going to get very much success with. So I read that you should just go, act crazy, right? And just do something weird. So these are the messages that I have sent. This is the first one. Hi, you look really pretty in your pictures. I hope that isn't too forward. Normally, I would try to engage in some fun, interesting conversation. Unfortunately, today has been a very bad day for me. I woke up late for work and totally missed the bus. I don't have a car, so I hooked it as fast as I could, but only to see the rear red lights of the bus retreating faster than my amazing body could. I strained each glorious muscle fiber in my fit-ass body to try to catch it in time. I called my boss man to tell him what happened, but he was currently balls deep in his wife and didn't pick up. So when I got there, he totally didn't believe me. He fired me right then and there. I tried to explain that I left a voicemail, but he was not having it. Instead, he fired me. I know tomorrow, when the gin wears off, he'll see that I called and he'll rehire me. At least I hope so. I was super sad-faced, so I went home and watched my favorite movie. It's a pornographic film from the 70s. But I don't think you really need to know that. After I made myself feel better, I made a burrito flavored taco from the freezer using my big boy skills. I used the microwave. I bet you want to make me feel better because I think you seem nice. Your face looks nice, and if you want, you can come over to my home situation and make me a soup. I have several roommates, and most rooms are doubled up, so I am not a very successful man by any means sexually. I own exactly 1 plate, 2 forks, and a spoon. I chose not to purchase knives since I have a severe angle problem and it wouldn't be in anyone's best interest. I also tend to fart from time to time, and not like normal farts. These are more like cancerous farts. My body know I'm dying even if I don't know I am. Anyway, that's enough about me. Tell me a little bit about you. So what do you guys think, man? You think she gonna message me back? Alright, so this is the second message I sent, and I have also not gotten a response yet. So this is what I wrote. I don't want to start this way, but I have a micro penis. There, I said it. I use this app because it's the easiest way to speak to women. I know that I can just get that out there that my dick is fucking tiny. Like really tiny. Probably smaller than your pinky finger. Actually, definitely. Unless you don't have one, and in that case, sorry. I eat out pretty well though, or at least I've been told I do. The sex is always weird because no one feels shit. We say we do, but we don't. I mean, come on, man. No one gonna admit that shit in real time. Like, what you gonna do? I'm on top of you thrusting and riding around doing everything I can just to keep my little tip submerged. And what you gonna be all encouraging, right? You're gonna say something like, you're doing great, man. Keep it up, little guy. Or, I can totally feel it. You're so slightly below average. Fuck me. I love little people, big world. Are you inside me? Or you might do that thing that either older girls or like Pixar obsessed girls might do and start singing that stupid song, Just Keep Swimming. It's not a sperm, it's a penis. I know they're almost the same size, but damn. Do you think you'd like it if I started singing a damn song called Tuna Hot Tub? Oh man, I'm sorry. This isn't your fault. For all I know, you might prefer the really tiny peepees. All I'm saying is, my penis seems to define me, and I just want to be my own person. Please message me. So what you guys think, man? Was that a good one? Should I send that one out or you just down in the comments, man? Let me know. Alright guys, so this is the last one I did today, and I'll send some out, you know, and I'll keep sending them until I find a lady. But this one, it goes like this. I want a pet monkey. I know what you're thinking. I'm gonna make a spank the monkey joke, but no, I really want a fucking monkey, man. How cool would that be? Like, it could give me beers from the fridge and give me my Zans. It could be my friend. I don't have many friends, so that would be pretty nice. It could climb all over my home since I have vaulted ceilings. Even if my monkey was bad, I would just ground it to its room. I have multiple rooms in my home because, you know, I make bad bank monies. I bet you'd like to pet my monkey too. I mean, if you came over here after a long day hiking out in the wilderness and had some bugs and shit in your hair, my monkey will pick them out and eat them. Every girl I know likes her hair played with, so double win, right? You get your hair played with and my monkey gets to eat. That saves me some money on monkey food. I would train to do fun tricks like handstands. Who wouldn't find a monkey doing a handstand absolutely adorable? You'd be all like, oh, your monkey just stood upside down with his hands that are very much like his feet. It's at that point I would ask you if you'd like some ice cream. Not just any ice cream, but some banana flavored shit. My monkey would have you a little off guard, so you would say yes, and I would feed you the most delicious banana ice cream. It isn't gonna be an ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream situation though. Instead, you're gonna moan. And I may moan. We moan because you made the best decision you could ever make. And we're smashing. And my monkey totally watching. So what, guys? You think she gonna message me, man? I don't know. I guess we find out. Alright, guys, so update. As I was editing this video, I got a message back, man. I don't remember which message she responded to, but this is what she wrote me. She said, hey, little Bo. Nice to meet you. I think you seem really interesting. I just want to let you know that I won't care if I'm a side bitch as long as in your presence I'm treated as a main bitch. I'm the alpha and the omega hoe. You know I'm taking you home, even if you're main chick there. I don't give a fuck and I can cheat as much as I want to and I can fuck as much as I want to as a side bitch. I still get treated like a main bitch when you with me. I know you think you so good, but bitch, I've been dick down better and harder than you, bitch. She said bitch a lot, man. If I break up with my main man, I ain't wasting time with your sorry ass in no relationship. Well, I tell you what, guys. I went ahead and messaged her because she sounds real nice, so I'll let you know how the day go.